Everyone complaining about, you eat too much salt, you put too much salt in your food, blah, 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 blah.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mos. As you know, I cook on this channel, and what I'm gonna do for you guys today, I'm gonna be making chicken Iskendar today. One of my last videos, I made Iskendar kebab as well, but I think it was with meat. It was like lamb or beef. I can't remember what it was. But this time it's with chicken, and instead of using chips, I'm gonna make it with rice. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. But before we go on to the next stage and for me to show you what's going on, I need you guys to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button on MosToosifar on the YouTube channel. Move over to Instagram, follow me on there as well. Now we can begin the show. Right, ladies and gentlemen, to start off with, you want to get 2-3 cups of, what's this called again? I haven't used it for so long, I forgot the name of it. Rice. 2-3 cups of rice. Wash it, rinse out as number of times as you can. Get the starch out of it as much as you can. And then moving over to your chicken. What you want to do is cut it up into little pieces, right? So, yeah. Do what you can. Okay. Look at that. Look at that already. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? Oh my god. Wow. Yeah, just make sure there's no like bones or any fatty stuff. No. So you want to try and give it like a little angle if you want, or even better yet, cut it in half so it becomes thinner, which is a lot better. And then, and then just cut it, but like cut it at an angle, not straight. Right? Get out of the way. Lovely jubbly. Right? There you go. Get rid of that. Here's what you want to do. Wiggle it about, put it on the stove, turn that one on, right? Turn it on, full heat. All you need is just a pinch of salt, alright? Everyone complaining about, you eat too much salt, you put too much salt in your food, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. Mate, relax, yeah? Right, that's that. So, what I'm going to do is just make sure the oil hits all of it, so the whole thing is oily, right? And we'll let it be. Okay? Spread it all out. Make sure the chicken is flattened all over the gaff. Yeah, done. Let that crack on, let this crack on. You can see it's slowly getting there with the heat in there. Yeah. Okay, let me just quickly bring you back into the game. As you can see, our chicken is cooked. As obviously you can see the colours change. I don't know if you can see with all this steam here, it looks like in the camera. But there you go. Does that make it a bit better for you guys? Can you guys actually see what's going on? So, as you can see, I put some oil in there, and I put the chicken on there with, gave the heat to it, right? No marinating, this is plain. If you taste this chicken, you're gonna be like, what's this, right? So it's blood. I'm not gonna add anything to this, but however, the sauce that I'm gonna be making to go on top of the chicken, then it will have some sort of taste. But as you can see here, and bring it up closer. Can you guys see it's getting a little bit brown there and so on and whatever? We're going to let it carry on going until it becomes a lot more brown, because we want it to come out this pale white looking chicken, right? Leave it on high heat, let it do its thing, right? It will change colour, it'll go a little bit brown, so which is nice. We like that, and then I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. As you can see, our rice is also bubbling up nicely. It's bubbly, you know what I mean? Right? So this is the current situation we're in. I hope you enjoyed the show so far. Keep on watching. We'll be back in a sec. Alright, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, see that chicken there? Can you guys see that? Yeah, that's what we want to get for the whole thing, right? So you kind of want to, like, not burn it, but almost burn it-ish. Just make it brown, basically, right? But anyway, that's doing its thing. The rice is coming along nicely, slowly, gradually. It's also happening, yeah? Right, now, for you, in order to make the sauce that goes on this to give it a taste and give it a taste on that, we need some butter, right? Whack it in there. There you go, right? And then what you need is a bit of turmeric, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, right? I'm going to turn on the heat on that. Let the butter melt as it is. Don't mix it, don't do nothing. Let it do its thing. And then we're going to add some tomato puree onto that. Look at that, look at that. See, this is the kind of thing you want, guys. Yeah? This is looking a lot better now. Right? It doesn't look so bland and so plain. It looks like it's got flavoring. It looks like it's tasty chicken here, right? You're kind of just making it a little bit crispy. Soft on the inside, crispy on the outside. Make it look like it's got taste, but really that's going to give this the taste. There's no taste in this. The whole thing is in there. That's where the magic happens. So, let this go on. What happened to our chicken? Was this 2 pieces of chicken? I don't remember. What's going on? Did someone come pinch this? Alright? It's gone short. Right, we're going to turn it down, like the lowest as it goes, and just let it just stay warm and cook slowly. Can you see that butter melting as I'm talking to you guys? Taking up the time. That's what we need. Right? We've got this happening here. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're looking good. But not yet. Not yet, ladies and gentlemen. We've still got to go. Right, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, our butter is completely melted. So, all you need is a spoon, tomato puree, two of those is enough, right? And then you want to add a bit of water to it, dilute it. There you go. Right? And now, just push it down, mix it slowly, gently. It will all come together nicely. Right? That's coming along. This is staying hot. It's slowly turning brown as well. So it's giving it a nice colour. We're getting there. One by one. That's the trick, guys. Don't try and do everything all together in one go. Multitasking, yeah, you can do it, but it's not the easiest thing to do in the world. So, get that going. The tomato puree will slowly start to, the heat will get to it, will soften up, and then it's all gonna become like one paste, like that. You see? Yeah? Lovely? Now, if you want it more liquidy, you can add more water to it, but for me, I think that's good enough. That's actually quite perfect. I just need it to heat up a little bit, that's all. Right? hurry up with the rice, because we are basically waiting on the rice now, pretty much. So that's ready. That just needs to get a bit of heat to it. Happy days, mate! Happy days! Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try and get this going, right? Prepare everything else, and then the rice will fall into place. Get some of that chicken, right? Put it in the middle of the plate. Just like so. Okay. That's fine. Just a little bit more. Cover this side. Done. Okay. Now, what you want to do, get rid of that. Get one of these peppers, right? Just put it on the heat. If you've got a gas cooker, put it on there. If you've got electric like me, then put it on there, whatever. Bada bing, bada boom. Right? Just be careful with it so it doesn't burn, but you want it to kind of burn. Does that make sense? Yeah. And now, time for our rice. Okay. Don't want it to be too much. Okay, that's done. How are we looking here? There's that. Now on this side, I'm going to grab some yogurt. Place that on there just like so. Okay. In terms of presentation wise, let me turn that off as well actually. What's that? Come on. We need you here. Let's go, bad boy. So what you got? That's off, that's off, that's on. Good. You wanna get your pickle, place it there. Okay, just like so. With and then your sauce, you just give it a little spin, right? This is a bit slow, so we're gonna have to kind of wait for this to burn up a little bit. The smell is strong though. I'm gonna wait. But meanwhile, while that's going on, a few corianders. Just place some coriander on the yogurt. Oh yeah, here we go. There we go. It's all coming together now. Let that, I'll tell you what, camera trick. We're gonna burn one side, so it's gonna look good for the camera. Okay? Okay. That's it. Get a little bit more. Now for the sauce. You just wanna get that, go all over the chicken. That's it, job done. Yeah? Look at that. And then you place that in the middle there. That is hot, so I'm just going to turn it off. I think I've got everything, all good, all is well. And then, wow, it's a bit hot. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your chicken Iskendar kebab. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. See you in the next video.
Tell me, will you really think it's more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come